Hello everybody, my name is Alejandro Pardo and I'm here on behalf of my team to present BAOD, Budget-Aware Object Detection. My man Shu and I contributed equally to the development of this paper. To build an object detector, we start with a budget that we are going to split up between three things: the image collection, the annotations of these images either strongly or weakly annotated, and the training of the object detector. We found that with the current approaches, we can reach the 95% of the mean IP with only 50% of the training data, meaning that there is a lot of data redundancy on the datasets and we are not spending the budget smartly. Our solution is to build budget-efficient detectors by exploring the data and the annotation scheme and by proposing a new evaluation framework. To solve this, we combine weakly and fully supervised methods with an active learning pipeline to use the annotation budget more efficiently. Our solution allows to annotate with weak and full labels and train with all of them at the same time with hybrid learning. At every step, the agent is going to decide whether to annotate images with weak labels or with strong labels from a big pool of images. To pick the images from the pool, we have an optimization-based policy based on US and LAL scores. Our experiments show that we can beat strong baselines by using our optimization with both samplings, LAL and US. The experiments also show that across the steps, the model picks harder images to annotate with strong labels and easier images to annotate with weak labels. We propose an additional experiment to show the effectiveness of our method. We're going to give to our method an infinite pool of images, which is going to be the combination of Pascal 2007 and 2012. And we're going to give the model the same budget to spend as it was spent in Pascal 2007. When doing that, we found that we can reach the same performance 0.71 of the original model by spending only 87% of the budget. More importantly, when we spend 100% of the budget, we can achieve a 0.73 mean IP, which is 2 points more in MIP that we are gaining just by picking better the images that we train with. To conclude, we propose the study of object detection from the annotation budget perspective. By doing that, we can save 13% of the annotation budget or gain 2% of mean IP when using the 100% of the budget. Please visit our poster or check our long video for more details. Thank you.